Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to disable widgets on Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable widgets through the Settings panel. Press Win+I to open the Settings panel. Click on Personalization, then select Taskbar. Under Taskbar Items, find the option for widgets and switch it to Off. This will remove widgets from your taskbar. Method 2. Disable widgets via group policy. This method is available for Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise editions only. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type ipedit.msc and hit Enter to open the local group policy editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Then, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and finally, Widgets. Double-click on Allow Widgets and set it to Disabled. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. If you want to restore widgets, just follow these steps again and set Allow Widgets to Not Configured. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips. See you next time.